In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new file in Replit. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click, what to type, and how to confirm your file is ready to use. This walkthrough is perfect if you're starting a new feature, organizing your project, or just adding a missing file. First, open Replit in your browser and sign in if you're not already. You'll land on your dashboard, which lists your recent and saved projects. Go ahead and open the REPL you want to work on. When your project loads, you'll see the code editor in the center, a console or preview area on the right, and a left sidebar that holds your project's structure. On that left sidebar, look for the Files panel. This is the place that shows every file and folder in your project like a tree view. If the panel looks collapsed, hover over the left edge and expand it so you can see your files clearly. The Files panel is where you'll manage everything from HTML and CSS to Python, JavaScript, or configuration files. It's also helpful to know that the folder you select here determines where the new file will be placed, so make sure you're clicked into the right location before you add anything. Now, to create your file, find the New File icon. It appears as a small plus sign, usually next to the file's header. Click that plus icon. Replit will prompt you to name your file. Type the file name exactly as you want it to appear, including the correct extension. For example, you might enter index.html for a web page, main.py for a Python script, or style.cs for your style sheet. Use clear, lowercase names without spaces, and include the dot and extension so Replit recognizes the file type and gives you the right syntax highlighting. Once you've typed the name, press Enter. Your new file will appear instantly in the Files panel and open in the editor so you can start writing code right away. If you don't see it where you expected, check which folder was selected before you created it. The file will be placed there. Replit saves changes automatically as you type, but it's still a good habit to glance at the File tab to confirm there are no unsaved indicators. That's it. Open Replit, open your project, locate the Files panel, click the plus icon, type your file name with the correct extension, and press Enter. With that, you're ready to build. Thanks for watching, and happy coding.